Welcome. I'm really glad you're here. This short meditation is a chance to pause, breathe, and reconnect with what's good in your life. No matter where you are or how you are feeling, gratitude can bring you back to peace. So find a comfortable position, and when you're ready, we'll begin. Let's take a moment now to settle in. Find a position that feels relaxed and supported. Take a deep breath in through your nose and softly release it through your mouth. Let your eyes gently close. Let your shoulders drop. Soften your jaw. Feel your body resting, supported by the surface beneath you. Right now, there's nowhere else you need to be. This is your time. As you breathe in, imagine you're bringing in calm. And as you breathe out, let go of any tension or stress. Inhale calm. Exhale and release. Let your breath find its own natural, steady rhythm. Now picture a soft golden light just above your head. This light holds the energy of peace and gratitude. As you breathe in, imagine this light flowing into your body. Let it fill your mind, your chest, your whole being. Feel it moving through you, gentle and warm. It eases any heaviness. It melts away worry. Now bring your attention to your chest. Notice your chest rising and falling. If it feels right, place a hand over your heart. Feel your heartbeat, steady and strong, always there for you. Now silently say to yourself, "Thank you for this breath." And on the exhale, "Thank you for this moment." Now think of something in your life you are grateful for right now. It can be something simple, a smile, a memory, the sound of nature. See it clearly in your mind. Notice how it feels. Let that feeling of gratitude grow in your heart. Let it expand through your whole body. Now, think of something in your past that was difficult at the time. But looking back, it taught you something. Maybe it made you stronger or more compassionate. Hold that moment gently in your mind and say to yourself, "Thank you for what you taught me." Let that feeling soften you. Let it remind you how far you've come. Now imagine your gratitude as a glowing golden light in your chest. With each breath, let it grow bigger. Let it fill your body, the room you are in, and then spread out into the world around you. Your gratitude becomes a gift, touching people, animals, nature, and all of life. You're part of something bigger. Your energy matters. Now, gently bring your focus back to your breath. Feel your body resting. Feel your heart. This feeling of gratitude is always within you. In moments of joy, in moments of stillness, even in challenge. Take one last deep breath in. Hold it for a moment. And slowly let it go. When you feel ready, open your eyes. Bring this peaceful energy with you into the rest of your day. Thank you for taking this time. Thank you for showing up. You are appreciated. You are loved. And you are not alone. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.